Hello, everybody. This is Sanjay Vora. I'm CEO of Avestor. I am super excited to be here with Luis Arce, and he is part of the team that runs the Verano Fund. So, Luis, tell me a little bit about your fund, your vision, and what you guys are trying to accomplish with this fund.
Well, it all started a few years ago when me and my partners got together, and we wanted to get a way of actually raising money. We saw that for the longest time we're helping a lot of people make money. We're already in the space as a real estate broker and operator, and we wanted to make sure that we go and do our own deals. So we got together, four of us, four team members. Everybody is an expert on their own fields. I'm a real estate broker. My other partner, Ray, is a hotel operator and manager. We got Miguel. Miguel is a marketing genius. He does web development. And then we have our CPA, which is Jose Javier. He's also have a lot of corporate clients. So he's in the space of real estate as well, doing with corporate clients.
Super. Sounds like you got a very strong team. So what are the types of investments you're doing? What should investors look for when, if they're interested in your fund?
Well, basically, we're looking for a lot of opportunities, a lot of undervalued assets out there, hotels, so we can convert them into different assets, or actually convert them and operate them as regular hotels. We can do that and also either hold them or actually sell them and get better value for our investors.
So the hotel asset class, everybody always thinks of it as a pretty high risk asset class. So tell me a little bit about what you're doing, how you're mitigating risk, and how you're making sure that it's not that your investor money is safe if we invest with you.
Well, that's a real good question. Basically, we wanted to make sure that we already have an exit strategy before we even start evaluating a property. Exit strategies are very important because times are very uncertain, especially in the hospitality business. Anything could happen. It could be a pandemic. It could be a hurricane, depending on the area of the country. So we know that having that ahead of time, it helps us mitigate the risk of our investors, because I know there's like their baby. We take their little nest egg and we're actually going to be able to raise that little baby and make sure that everything works fine for them. So there's a lot of exit strategies, such as we can convert the asset as a condo hotel, as a different asset class, such as a condo hotel. It could be a shelter or different thing for different municipalities. All depends on the situation, time of the year, and situation.
Okay, got it. And then, what is the minimum investment for your fund?
Well, our minimum investment is $50,000.
Okay.
But we're looking for investors that have at least $100,000 liquid to be able to get into our fund.
Okay, got it. And then, how long do you expect your investments? Like, if I put my money in, how long is is my money tied up?
Well, that's a great question too, because a lot of people are worried about tying their money for longer periods of time. We're looking for assets that are actually easy to get in and get out. Be able to raise the money, operate it for a year or less, or depending, we can hold it for another year. But actually, within 3 to 5 years, we'll be able to get out and make sure the investors get their value back from their investment.
Well, it was fantastic meeting you, talking with you, and appreciate you chatting with us.
Well, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you.